Why are you here? No, not here watching this video, but why are you here on Earth? You came here with a definite purpose. You may not remember it, but you came with a purpose. Whether it's creative, whether it's to help somebody, maybe it's to be a small part of the whole that you're not fully aware of, but deep inside you know exactly why you're here. Now, if you don't know why you're here, there's a big chance you might be here just to explore being creative, right? It's 5:30 a.m. here in Seattle, and I decided to buy a tripod. It's been a long time, but I thought it'd be nice to have something to just hold up my phone instead of me walking around. And I'm trying this out for the first time. I'm here to create. Videography is a brand new hobby to me. I'm doing it because I think it's fun. I have no idea what's going to come from this, but I'm just exploring because I know that as a human, as a spiritual being, we're here on earth to create. Think of this as a school, right? We're here in school to really just learn different life lessons, not just, oh, let's do this exam. It's more of a experiential exam. Now, before we incarnate, we're out there in source with everything else as one, unified. But because we're out there, everything that we could possibly ever want manifests just like that. But you can't truly experience it because things happen so quickly. Now we come to Earth so then we could experience things at a deeper level rather than just knowing it in theory. Right before we incarnate, we have, if we want something, we get it immediately. On Earth, ask yourself, why are you truly here? Is it to just suffer all day and be in pain? Is that really why you're here? Or could you possibly consciously make a choice to not suffer, even though there may be pain, right? Pain is inevitable, but suffering is a choice. You're here watching this. Why am I here at 5:30 outside? It's because I want to create. I have no idea where this is going. I'm just creating because I found a hobby that seems fun. Just remember, you are the creator. You're here because you have something to express, whether it's through art, whether it's through relationships, whatever reason, you are here for a purpose. Now, you may not know what it is, but I encourage you to follow your purpose. Follow whatever gives you joy. Follow whatever gives you hope. Follow whatever makes you curious. Just follow why you're here. You're here for a deeper level than just waking up, going to work, coming back. Unless work is your passion, right? Work doesn't have to be this negative thing. It could be, hey, I truly enjoy this. I like serving the people I'm serving. Then by all means, go deeper into that purpose, go deeper into that passion. And that's exactly how you should be doing it. But if you feel drained or stuck, it's important to start exploring other areas of life, not necessarily for the money, but so then you could come out as a creator that you know you are. Okay, creating's a lot more than just painting and all these art things. Every single thing, every moment you live is creation. Every moment you live, something is manifesting around you, even if you don't see it. My challenge to you is to be the creator of your own life intentionally. Do something today that you've been putting off. Do something that's creative, whatever that is, and just go deep into it. Find a new hobby. Or if you enjoy your hobby, go deeper into it. Try something different that you've just wanted to experience or explore or experiment with. This is why we're here. We're here to create.